Guys, in this video, we will see how to fix if your computer freezes on a startup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Basically, it is a startup problem. If your computer not starts properly and freezes on a startup, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open control panel in your system. Control panel is now open. Here, go to power options. Click on power options. Open it. Here, from the left side, click on choose what the power button does. Click on it. Thereafter, go to right side and here disable turn on fast start. Disable this feature. To disable it, click on change settings that are currently unavailable from the top link and disable this feature under shutdown settings. Turn off fast start. Disable this feature and check whether your computer freezes on a startup error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on start button and here choose task manager and here go to startup apps from the left sidebar and from the right side look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Look for one by one. If you found any startup apps enabled in your system, simply select it, right click on it and choose disable. Look for any startup apps enabled in your system, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all the open startup apps, enabled startup apps in your system. After that, check your error. The third workaround is right click on a start button again and choose device manager. Open device manager and here go to display adapter section, expand it, right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Update your display adapter driver in your system to fix this issue. After that, close the windows, restart your system and check whether your problem is still or fixed. If not fixed, then go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. From the left side, go to Windows Update and here scroll down and click on Update History. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option under related settings. You will find the option uninstall updates. Click on it and go to recently installed updates in your system. After that a problem arises, so uninstall recently update installed in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Uninstall, choose uninstall and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. The next workaround is again right click on the start button and choose run. You may press Windows key plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type RSTRUY and click on open. It will open system restore Windows. Some error here no restore points have been created on your computer system drive. To create a restore point, open system protection. Go to Windows search and type system protection and here create a restore point. Choose create. Type a description to help you identify the restore point. Assign a name of this restore point. We will type Windows Update or any other Windows activity you have performed in your system. Name, rename it and wait for some time till creating a restore point in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Once successfully created, a message you will receive the restore point was successfully created. Click on OK and again go to run dialog box, right click on start button and choose run and here type RSTRUY and click on OK. Now system restore window will open. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So click on next from the bottom of the page, and here choose a restoration point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event and click on next. And on the next page, finally confirm your restoration point, choose finish and follow on screen instruction. Wait for some time, it will take few minutes and your system will restore and your problem of computer freezes on startup definitely